Welcome to Spirit Guide Mastery. Here at Immersive Spirit, we are always talking about how magical you are and how supported you are by the universe. But we've never given you tips or tricks about finding out just how supported. So we're going to do a 7-part series called Spirit Guide Mastery. We hope that you'll come along and connect with what makes you uniquely you and learn how to communicate with your guides. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered if your spirit guides are trying to reach you? So today we're going to explore 5 simple tricks to start building that connection. And by the end of this episode, I hope you'll feel confident in taking those first steps forward into identifying your spirit guides and talking with them on a daily basis. So tip 1 is going to be the morning alignment ritual. So I want you to begin your day by asking your guides to set the tone. So close your eyes. Visualize a golden light around you and ask, what do I need to know today? Trust whatever thoughts or feelings arise. And this simple act's going to build that trust with your guide. Tip 2, ask for a clear sign. So choose something uncommon like a purple feather, or ask your guides to show you that uncommon sign as a confirmation. So pick anything, but be patient and keep your eyes open. Signs often come in very surprising ways. Tip 3, the repeating message. So if a thought or message keeps popping up in dreams or conversations or even songs, it's likely coming from your guides. So trust that the persistence is their way of getting your attention. And this can also be really helpful if you believe that you are creating the message in your head, that you're imagining it. Wipe that away and let it repeat. And if it repeats, it's likely coming from your guides. The 4th tip is our body compass check. So ask a yes/no question and notice how your body reacts. A feeling of lightness signals alignment, while heaviness suggests reconsideration. This can be very personal. Often when I do a body compass check-in, I'll say, if I go to the right, yes. If I go to the left, no. And I just stand there and let that happen. So that's a really good way to do it as well. And the last tip for this week is the nature whisper. Take a walk outside, ask your guides for clarity, then observe. Observe a bird's flight or the rustling of leaves or anything that may be carrying a message, and identify how you feel in that moment, what you're thinking about in that moment, if your ears begin to ring in that moment. The important part of all of these tips is that you're going to need to be present and paying attention. So there you have it, 5 simple ways to connect with your guides today. Try these out and share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for next week's episode, where we'll dive deeper into recognizing their guidance. Have an amazing day from your friends at Immersive Spirit.